Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the importance of SOP for new and existing businesses. What is SOP? SOP stands for Standard Operating Procedure. It is a set of step-by-step instructions compiled by an organization to help workers carry out routine operations. SOPs aim to achieve efficiency, quality output, and uniformity of performance, while reducing miscommunication and failure to comply with industry regulations. Standard operating procedures are guidelines in the form of documented processes that a company creates to ensure consistency across functions. Why do new and existing businesses need standard operating procedures? SOPs help in creating a more structured organization, and they help to improve overall productivity. SOPs also help in disseminating the values and crucial information required to perform daily tasks to all employees, both existing and new. Quality control is another positive outcome of creating and implementing SOPs while ensuring that tasks are completed within stipulated timelines. SOPs are also important documents from the standpoint of audits that you would or should subject your business through from time to time. With the help of standard operating procedures, your time can be used effectively and tasks performed more efficiently. Why are standard operating procedures important to both new and existing businesses? They provide a basis for consistency and promote quality assurance. A set of SOPs ensures work consistency whoever is performing the task. They also provide a constant experience to customer and clients. It enables a reputation for excellence that a company needs to grow. An example is customer complaints. Every customer service personnel should know how to handle a customer complaint following a consistent procedure used by all. They create a safe work environment. A set of SOPs ensures that accidents or people getting hurt are as small as possible. SOPs will inform and educate personnel of what they should and should not do. Aside from physical safety, SOPs protect personnel from harassment or unfair workplace practices, as well as protect your business from costly lawsuits. An example is personnel should know what to do and where to go in case of a fire alarm. They are essential to employee evaluation. A set of SOPs define exactly what each personnel's job entails, as well as the quality of work that is expected. SOPs stand as the personnel's guidelines on how to perform their jobs. An example is personnel should know if they would be able to meet expectations upon their performance evaluation. The best in your journey to success.